Here's some Komagata Maru trivia. Subscribe. What was the name of the ship involved? Is it A. Mayflower, B. Komagata Maru, C. Titanic, or D. Santa Maria? The correct answer is B. Komagata Maru. In which year did the Komagata Maru incident occur? Is it A. 1905, B. 1920, C. 1932, or D. 1914? The correct answer is D. 1914. Which country did the ship sail from? Is it A. Australia, B. France, C. Brazil, or D. India? The correct answer is D. India. What was the destination of the Komagata Maru? Is it A. United Kingdom, B. Canada, C. India, or D. Australia? The correct answer is B. Canada. Which port did the ship attempt to land at in Canada? Is it A. Vancouver, B. Montreal, C. Toronto, or D. Halifax? The correct answer is A. Vancouver. How did some passengers try to enter Canada? Is it A. staging a revolt, B. swimming across lake, C. taking a plane, or D. hiding in luggage? The correct answer is A. staging a revolt. What was the ship's condition during its return voyage? Is it A. poor, B. average, C. fair, or D. excellent? The correct answer is A. poor. What did the incident mobilize among Indian communities? Is it A. cultural exchanges, B. social gatherings, C. economic investment, or D. political activism? The correct answer is D. political activism. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.